Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 5 habits that might seem harmless but could secretly be ruining your day without you even realizing it. Stick around because number 5 is something almost all of us are guilty of. Waking up and grabbing your phone. We all do it. The alarm goes off and the first thing we grab is our phone. Notifications, emails, Instagram, news. Bam! You're hit with information overload before your feet even touch the ground. This puts your brain in reactive mode, not proactive. Your stress levels go up, your attention span drops, and you haven't even had coffee yet. Quick tip, try waiting 20 to 30 minutes before checking your phone. Use that time for something calming, like stretching, meditation, or journaling. Skipping breakfast. Skipping breakfast might seem like a time saver or even a weight loss hack. But in reality, it can mess with your mood and energy levels. Your brain needs fuel. Without it, you're more likely to be distracted, irritable, and sluggish. Even something small like a banana or a protein bar can help you kickstart your day on a better note. Multitasking feels productive, but research shows it actually lowers your efficiency and increases mistakes. When you split your attention, your brain has to constantly switch gears. That burns energy fast and makes tasks take longer. Quick tip, use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of focused work, 5-minute break. Try it, it works. Ever catch yourself saying things like, "I'm so stupid," or "I can't do anything right"? Our brains believe what we tell them. Negative self-talk can slowly chip away at your confidence and motivation. Be your own hype person. Instead of saying, "I'm not good at this," say, "I'm still learning." Sitting for hours at a desk, in the car, on the couch, is linked to low energy, poor posture, and even depression. You don't need a full gym session. Just stand up, stretch, or walk around every hour. Quick tip, set a timer on your phone to remind you to move. Your body and brain will thank you. So there you have it, 5 small habits that could be making your days harder than they need to be. Change starts with awareness. Pick one of these habits, try improving it this week, and see how you feel. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more self-improvement tips, and drop a comment below. Which habit are you working on?